Hello everyone. It's been quite some time now since I recorded anything, mostly because a lot of things happened in life prevented me from recording my work with the cars and other stuff. But here, as you can see, I have something new. It's a Mercedes E-Class W211 from 2004. This here is a 2.2 diesel, 110 kilowatts, and yeah, opportunity appeared 3 months ago or so, and I decided to buy it. What happened to Renault is that the car is still here, it's working, it's used by my father, and probably in future I will record some work on the brakes and where maintenance appears, but right now everything is okay with that car. Here what I want to do today is replace one part located beneath this cover. It is called oil separator, or maybe you can even call it PCV. I explained it in another video with Renault how that works. In Renault it's much simpler. Here it's a bit bigger one, but nothing too complicated. You will see in the video. What else to say about this car? I did a lot of investment in it after I bought it. As you can see, maybe here there is a brand new water pump, these rollers, the tensioner, the alternator was rebuilt. I changed all the fluids. Information on the internet exists, but it's not exactly easy to find it, so to speak. Maybe I go around the car and show where you can find certain things and how you can maybe do it on your own. Exchange of fluids and simpler work. The cover is off, and as you can see, this is 4-cylinder engine. I believe it's OEM 651 or something like that. It has a code, and it's well-known engine, known for being reliable and such. You can see it's very dry, even though it's a bit dirty. Some corrosion here, probably from previous guy washing it and not drying it. But in general, this engine is very good, very dry. Unfortunately, this part is leaking, and this is what I want to replace. I will show you the new one. It's quite similar, I believe. It's nothing complicated. This is called the oil separator, and as you can see, it's leaking from somewhere. Probably the housing here broke, or I'm not quite sure. I'm not even sure if it has a gasket beneath. If it will have, I didn't get one with the new part, so that might be a bit of a challenge. In any case, we will I will now proceed to replace this whole assembly here. Those that didn't know, the older versions of this W211, they have SBC module, and these are known to go bad after certain mileage, or better said, after certain number of brake pedal pushes. As I investigated in past, apparently the electronics of this has programmed like 300,000 brake pedal pushes, and after that it basically shows that you need to service it, and you lose the ability that this provides. You then, for automatic vehicles, might have a problem. For manuals it won't be a problem. What happens, car doesn't allow you to go fast, basically goes into safe mode, and then you need to reprogram this. On eBay there are tools which are like $40, and they allow you to easily reset the brake counter that this device is doing. This is the new part. This is how it looks like. Nothing special. As you can see, I didn't get a gasket for it, so I hope there isn't one that I need to install. If someone needs part number for W211 2004 110 kilowatt diesel manual transmission, this is your part number for this. I believe this is a replacement number, so this is replacement part, not original. Yeah, it's a IC brand, and we will see what is this, if it has any markings. Now I will try to proceed replacing this and cleaning it a bit. I really don't like oil around the engine, and this is the only area where it has some oil. Yes, let's see. Now that we took out the separator, you can see here how does it look beneath it. There is no gasket. This is the where you pour in the oil usually, and here is the one part which goes into the head here in the yeah, I believe it's called the head. And I will show you why this was leaking. There are rubber parts which disintegrated, right? And this one here, you see, it's pretty much hard rubber now. And there is this O-ring. So most likely you don't even need to buy the brand new part. Maybe it's only enough to replace this rubber part and this here. But I'm not sure where you could find this one. It's a specific shape. I will show you here on the new one. So you can see on the new one, and this is the old, and the O-ring and the O-ring here. It's pretty simple component. And if you are thinking maybe the part of it left down in the engine, if you look here, there isn't anything inside besides this gunk here, which I will clean. Make sure nothing goes in it. Zoom in. You see there isn't anything inside. And this is the other part. So now I will clean this and try to install the new part. This is the area from where it was leaking, most likely, if you look how it follows, and here as well, probably. Yeah, the oil was going past the O-ring. Another thing, make sure to clean the holes where the screws are going. You don't want to mess up threads, and you want little force here. Maybe it's around 10 Newton meters. It was really loose. It was not hard to take all of these screws. And always have something to cover the engine to ensure nothing goes in when you are working on such things. I'm done with cleaning as best as I could. You never can get it perfect while it's on the car like this. Yeah, clean the surfaces where the gaskets are going, the O-ring here and this inside. There isn't a big gasket here, so just O-ring and the one smaller here I will show you. Clean the holes from the oil deposit that was there. you have opportunity to clean the engine on the side because it's easier to access. And yeah, you still see some dirt, but that will go on its own after heating and cooling. And now I will show you what you should do to have easier install of the new part. So get yourself some precise machining oil, or any oil in general. You can even use engine oil, and put it on the rubber parts so it just goes smoothly in the holes where it should go. And yeah, and same do for the o-ring here, slightly like so. Put some on your finger and just rub it around. This will help not to bend, not to bend the o-ring like this. And basically it's very simple. Kinda need two hands, but let's try like this. As you can see, then you need to push it down slightly, so just it's in center. The rest of work will be done by the screws as you are going. You see, it's breathing basically. Now when you are screwing in or tightening this part, you need to go zigzag, so like this, and then reverse, and so on. You never tight only one and then do the rest. You go zigzag slowly. So I will do that now and will show you. The new part is installed, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on in the zigzag order, and it slowly pushes it down. You don't need a lot of force. As soon as you reach the end, you will notice it. You will see the resistance, and basically, because this is plastic, don't do a lot of force. When you put everything back, put the old cap, and now it's time to turn the engine on and listen and look for leaks. We will see here if anything is leaking eventually. Engine is running. We will leave it like that and then observe. We will also go for a short drive, and after that we will see if there are any leaks. I don't think there will be. Right now we cannot see any. This is old dirt that's still there, but when it's leaking it's quite obvious. We will see it, but right now everything looks okay. Drive is complete, and as we can see here, if you can see it, everything is dry, clean, no oil, and yeah, we can say the job is complete now. As always, when you do something on your own, you have a feeling the car is running better. I think this part actually helps the car and the engine, I mean, but who knows. I don't see anything else obvious here that needs replacing. Maybe in future we change the glow plugs here, but for now there are no error messages. Everything is alright. Engine runs really well. A lot of investment made, but for a long term it's worth it. Never let things sit unattended. Always, yeah, do maintenance on time. In another video I maybe go around the car, show you a bit where things are. Here, for example, is the oil filter. You just unscrew this, take it out, replace the O-rings and the filter itself. This is the power steering fluid here. You can change that easily. You need to take out the old oil from here, put new one, then do the cycle a couple of times with turning left and right. This is the air filter for the engine. It's a long tube. Here is the cabin filter. Some cars have one inside the car, this one doesn't. This here is the fuel filter. As you can see, I replaced it on 13th of May. Yes, that's pretty much it. The water pump is here, rollers, pulleys, how do you call them, the alternator. Here is the pump for the steering, power steering. The compressor for the AC is down there. Yeah, and here is where you put the brake fluid. Compared to some cars, it's really easy to work on. You see, everything is here. The turbine is down there, so you can technically get to it if you take the housing off. A rail is here. You see injectors. This is the high pressure fuel pump. It's a bit corroded, but doesn't impact the performance. For it, you might want to pay attention to two hoses that are below, on the other side of this thing, beneath it. They are very delicate. If you turn it just a little bit off the connection pipe, it might start leaking fuel, and you might think that the high pressure fuel pump is going bad, but in reality, it's the two rubber hoses that are getting loose. You know, over time the old rubber and the clamps don't hold as best as it should be. So yeah, what else to say? As I said, I might show some other things in future videos, but for now that's it about this part, the oil separator, or PCV. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, leave a like, consider subscribing. I cannot promise more or regular videos, depends on time and life. You know, there are many things happening, so yeah, thank you very much and see you in the next one. Bye bye.